Subhanaka rabbil izzati amma yasifuka bisifati atamallahu jalalahu Allah jalla jalaluhu. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Orúkọ tèmi ni Alhaja Aminat Babalọlá Balógun tí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tèmi mọ̀ sí ọmọ táyé bí, ìyá kékeré Èkó tí ò ṣe jí gbé lọ síbì kan. I'm here to tell all my fans about Lao Foundation. Lao Foundation. Lao Foundation wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe empowerment. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe empowerment starting from 21 to 24. But mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ̀yin tèmi pé on the 22 of this January 2020. 22 of this January 2020, I will be there live and direct for Lao Foundation Empowerment. Ẹni tí ó jẹ́ agbátẹrù Lao Foundation yìí, àwọn ni Sheikh wa Ibrahim, Sheikh Ibrahim Aliariri Ẹ̀bùnolúwapọ̀. Sheikh Aliariri, àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ lọ́dá empowerment yìí sílẹ̀, and it's very good. We are going to learn how to do graphics design, catering, shoemaking, barbing, photography, computer engineering, and soap making, and so on and so forth. Tí a máa learn níbẹ̀. Ṣé rí pé empowerment in Islam is very very good and it's nice. Live and direct, you are going to meet me there, Alhaja Omotaibi, on the 22 of January 2020. Don't miss it. My fans, call. The form is free. You can call the number of Aliariri when you see this. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Love you so much.